Hello learners, in this video we will talk about some differences between central teacher eligibility test and the state teacher eligibility test. So let us start. So the first difference is the CTET certificate is valid across India. So you can apply in any central school's recruitment test. At the same time you can also apply in other state recruitment test also. So that is the main difference between CTET and state TET. When we talk about state TET, it is only valid in the state where the TET is conducted. So another difference is the medium of instruction. So the CTET is mainly available in English and Hindi version. However, nowadays they are also offering some other regional languages also. But however, English and Hindi are the main languages in CTET. When we talk about state TET, there is English, and the state language is the main language of instruction. And when we talk about the conducting agencies, so the CTET is conducted by CBSE and the state TET is conducted by the Education Department of a concerned state. When we talk about the validity of TET in recruitment test, the CTET certificate is valid to apply in any recruitment test of any state, and it is also useful. It is mainly useful for the central schools recruitment test. When we talk about state TET, then it is only eligible or valid to apply in a recruitment test of a particular state where the state TET is conducted. And there are some similarities also, like between CTET and state TET. Both are valid for 7 years from the date of uh, qualified date, and eligibility criteria is also same. Maximum there is same eligibility criteria for CTET and state TET. Syllabus is also same, but however there may be some differences in some states, but however it is maximum same. And the marking criteria is also same, 150 marks for the total exam. So these are the differences and similarities between CTET and the state TET. When we talk about the importance of CTET and state TET, then if you are trying to write in recruitment test of other states, then it is advisable to qualify CTET. Why? Because it gives you the option to apply in recruitment tests of other states without having the without giving the TET of that particular state, right? And now here other state means the state where you are non-local, right? If you are trying to give recruitment examination of a state where you are non-local, then it is good to have CTET qualification, right? So like this we can understand the differences between CTET and state TET. So thank you learners.